Meet Tom. Say hello, Tom.
Hello.
Tom always wanted to write a book. He knew his experiences can help others. After all, he discovered something revolutionary. Oh, never mind. One day, he decided to start writing. The problem was, he didn't know how. While searching for a solution, he found Premium Ebook Writers. He discussed his book ideas with the team, and that was it. Not only did they help with the writing, they also edited his manuscript, designed a cover, and even offered assistance with publishing on multiple platforms. Now, people all over the world know him, and that's great for Tom's business too. Have a book idea? Visit our website and get a free consultation today.